If you see someone else's Instagram story and you wanted to be able to share that to your Instagram story, I'm going to walk you through two potential options you have to be able to share any story to your own story. So let's just open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. And now the first thing you can do is tap on the message icon or DM icon. If you see in any of these, for instance, Nation here, it says mentioned you in their story. Of course, if you are mentioned in a story, you can always reshare that. But a brand new feature on Instagram doesn't require that you are mentioned. So for instance, let's open up the Ineos story here and tap on the little share icon at the bottom right. You can see that little message icon. From here, I can choose add to story. When I do this, I can add music, captions, etc., and I can change the audio depending on how I want. After I hit the share button, I can share it to my story and I'll show you what it looks like. So let's hit done. And after I've done that, I'll show you how it looks. So tap on my story. And just like that, it says your story, but it also shows under it Ineos Grenadier, and it has that little reshare icon. So essentially it'll reshare it or repost it as your story, but it will also credit the original creator of that story. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.